everyone. Start off by taking 2 sections of the hair from either side and tie it up at the back. Now when we say tie it up, quite literally make a knot out of it, join it at the bottom and then add a rubber band at the base of this knot. Now do this once more right underneath it. Now after you're done with this, divide the bottom portion of the hair into 2 parts. Start off by taking 2 sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back, roll the hair in on itself. Taking the remaining portion of the hair, join it with another section at the bottom. Now divide the hair into 2 parts and begin to braid it starting with the left side. Now lift it both upwards and then fasten it in place using bobby pins. Tie a ponytail out of the hair, take a small section of this ponytail, add a rubber band in the middle of it, roll the hair in on itself through this middle section. Now pull the ponytail through it. At the top, make another section out of the hair, tie a rubber band in the middle of it, roll the hair in on itself. Pull the ponytail through it once more. Continue to do so until you reach the bottom. As such, make multiple sections out of it, and now this is what it should look like. Roll the bottom upwards and now add decorative pins all around. Take 2 sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back, roll the hair in on itself, and pull it through the top as such. Take 2 more sections of the hair from either side, right underneath this, tie it up at the back. Now pull it out through the top once more. Take 2 sections of the hair from one more side and repeat the step again. At the bottom, make a normal braid out of it and tie a rubber band to it. Take the excess portion of the hair and roll it upwards. Next, we'll start off by taking 2 sections of the hair from either side and now make a little knot out of it at the back of it. Join it at the base and add a rubber band to it. Once more, take 2 sections of the hair from either side, move more towards the left side and make a knot out of it. Add a rubber band at the base of it as such. Now, as you are doing this, keep alternating between the sides as you can see that we are doing. After you are done with all of these knotted sections, take each of the sections that you have created and then begin to make a loose braid out of it. Make it crisscross in the middle as such. First, start off by making a normal braid out of this, and then as you progress with this braid, include more and more sections of the hair into it, alternatively on either side of it as such. Add a rubber band to the bottom once you're done with it, and this is what your braid should begin to look like. Make sure that it is neatly put for the most part. Take 2 sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back, and now roll the hair in on itself and pull it through. Loosen the sides using your fingers as such. Now right underneath it, take 2 more sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back and roll the hair in on itself. Once again, loosen the sides. Continue to do this, however, alternate between the sides. Once do it on the right side and then the next time do it on the left side and loosen the sides using your fingers. Do another one right underneath and make it in the middle. Now continue to do so until you reach the base of the scalp. As you move down and progress downwards, loosen it more and more, and then this is what it should begin to look like. Finally, as you move to the bottom, it should be the loosest it has been throughout. Tie a rubber band at the end. Take 2 sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back, roll the hair in on itself as such. Add a rubber band to the middle of this section. Once more, roll the hair in on itself and loosen out the sides. Tie it up in place. Thank you for watching.